1 million views on our waffle cone recipe. But you kept asking, can I make these without eggs? Do I really need the machine? Today, 2 batters, 2 cooking methods, and every tip you need for perfectly crispy waffle cones. This is the dessert you deserve.
We're starting with the eggless batter because this is the version so many of you asked for. Whisk together the sugar, milk, warm water, vanilla, and a pinch of salt until smooth. Gradually sift in the flour, whisking gently until no lumps remain. Then stir in the melted butter. The batter should be completely smooth and easy to pour. Let it rest at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes. Now, for our original batter.
It's a gram for gram swap. The original one uses 1 egg, while the eggless version replaces it with the same weight in milk. For the original batter, whisk the egg and sugar first before adding everything else. Here's the key difference between these 2 batters. The egg gives you a thicker batter and the milk runs thinner. All the ingredients and instructions are in the description below, and the full recipe is on our blog.
Let's start with the one most of you are here for. No machine. All you need is a non-stick pan, parchment paper, and a second smaller pan. We're using deep saucepans because our induction cooktop isn't compatible with our preferred shallow pans. Pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of batter in the center, and here's the trick. You're spreading on the counter, not in the hot pan. No rush, no burnt fingers. Back of a spoon, very thin circle, 12 to 15 centimeters. Put the batter side down on the pan and put the smaller pan on top of it. After 1 to 2 minutes, remove the top pan and carefully peel away the parchment. If you see any holes, patch them with the smallest amount of batter possible. Continue cooking until the first side is golden. Then flip and cook the other side about 3 more minutes, until golden on both sides. As soon as it comes out of the pan, shape it immediately. Once it cools, it becomes crisp and much harder to roll. With the waffle cone maker, the process is much faster. Preheat it to medium-high. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of batter and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip the wafer and cook another 2 minutes or until it is golden.
Whichever method or batter you choose, shape the waffle immediately. It firms up in seconds, so you need to work quickly.
And be careful, it's hot enough to burn your fingertips. And cones aren't your only option. You can also shape them into waffle bowls, desert tacos, or cigar rolls. Now, for the real test. 2 batters, 2 cooking methods. Both batters give us the same crispy snap and nearly identical final results. The real difference is the browning. The eggless batters colors more quickly, so use a slightly lower temperature, whether you're using the machine or the pan. The original batter stays lighter and can handle a slightly higher temperature.
So which one are you trying first?
To prevent melting ice cream from leaking through, seal the bottom with a small amount of melted chocolate. Or swirl a thin layer over the whole inside. The ice cream never touches the wafer, so it stays crispy way longer. Once they're completely cool, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. Never refrigerate or freeze them. Humidity is the enemy of that crisp crunch.
If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more recipes and tips like these. No eggs? No machine? No problem. You've got everything you need to make perfectly crispy waffle cones. This is the dessert you deserve.